Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At saka pakipindot na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video or videos na i-upload ko. By the way, if you are a mathematics contestant, a mathematics coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, okay, this tutorial is for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so we have here problem number 1, evaluating an expression. So this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, and we're going to solve this in a very systematic and easy manner. Okay, for you to be able to easily grasp the process of solving this type of problem. Okay, to begin, so let us assume that the expression that we need to look for to be any variable that you want to say. For example, okay, we want to assume this as x, no? So we're going to let x is equal to a cubed over a to the 6 plus a to the 5th plus a to the 4th plus a cubed plus a squared plus a plus 1. Okay, after assuming that this expression to be x, we need to get the reciprocal of x. So the reciprocal would be, so this follows that 1 over x is equal to, so we get the reciprocal of x, so the right hand side also must be in its reciprocal form. So now, this can be written as a to the 6 plus a to the 5th plus a to the 4th plus a cubed plus a squared plus a plus 1 over a cubed. Okay, since the reciprocal of this is this one. And from here, we can split this expression as follows. So we now have a to the 6th over a cubed plus a to the 5th over a cubed plus a to the 4th over a cubed plus a cubed over a cubed plus a squared over a cubed plus a over a cubed plus 1 over a cubed. Okay, and this time, we are going to use some law of exponent such as quotient of powers. Okay, so this follows that 1 over x is equal to, so we have 6 minus 3, we have 3, so we have a cubed, plus 5 minus 3, we have 2, so we have a squared, plus continue until here, so we have a plus, a cubed divided by a cubed, that is equal to 1, because a number dividing by itself, the result is 1, except dividing by 0. So we have 1 here, plus 1 over a, plus 1 over a squared, then plus 1 over a cubed. Okay, this time, we are going to combine terms that have the same exponent. For example, a cubed and 1 over a cubed, a squared and 1 over a squared, and a and 1 over a. So this we now have a cubed plus 1 over a cubed, plus a squared plus 1 over a squared, plus a plus 1 over a, then plus 1. Okay, so this is now the equivalent expression for 1 over x. Okay, now we're going to use the given equation that we have here, and manipulating that equation to arrive these expressions. So now we have a over a squared plus 1 equals 1/3, and getting the reciprocal, so this can be written as a squared plus 1 over a is equal to 3. Yan, by getting its reciprocal. And then again, we can split this expression as follows. We have a squared over a, then plus 1 over a is equal to 3. And then again, using the quotient of power rule, we have exponent, so we now have okay, this follows that we have a plus 1 over a is equal to 3. Ayan. So we have found this expression. So this time, we are going to find this expression by getting the square to both sides of this equation. So squaring that, so we now have a plus 1 over a quantity squared is equal to, so by applying the FOIL method, so we now have a squared plus a times 1 over a plus 1 over a times a, then plus 1 over a squared. But a plus 1 over a is equal to 3, so by substitution, we have 3 squared is equal to a squared plus, so a divided by a, that is equal to 1, plus a divided by a, again, equals 1, plus 1 over a squared. Now, 3 squared is equal to 9, and 1 plus 1 here is equal to 2. And applying the addition property of equality, so we now have 9 minus 2 is equal to a squared plus 1 over a squared. And this follows that a squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so finally, we're going to find this expression by getting the cube to both sides of this equation, or simply, we're going to use this relation. We have a squared plus 1 over a squared times a plus 1 over a. So by applying again the FOIL method, this can be written as a cubed plus a squared times 1 over a. So we have a plus 1 over a squared times a. We have 1 over a plus 1 over a squared times 1 over a plus 1 over a cubed. And a squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 7. So by substitution, we have 7 here times a plus 1 over a equals 3. So equals a cubed. And take note, this one, okay, is equal to 3. So therefore, we have plus 3 plus 1 over a cubed. Then 7 times 3 equals 21. And then again, by applying the addition property of equality, so this can be written now as 21 minus 3 is equal to a cubed plus 1 over a cubed. And this follows that a cubed plus 1 over a cubed is equal to 21 minus 3 equals 18. So we have found all of the expressions that are needed to solve for the value of 1 over x. And now let us erase some text written here. So I'll erase this one. Okay. Then substituting the values, so we now have a cubed plus 1 over a cubed, we have 18, plus a squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 7, plus a plus 1 over a equals 3, then plus 1. Adding this up, we have 29. So we have 1 over x. And going back with our problem, we have assumed that x is equal to this expression. So it means we need to get the reciprocal of 1 over x. So this follows that the reciprocal of 1 over x is just x. Then the reciprocal of 29 is 1 over 29. And this would be now our final answer for the given problem. And I think this is a good place to stop.